Just to go over a few things about turning in your grades, just so we all can have a little review, make sure we're doing it correctly, because there has been some issues in the past where maybe we forgot something very basic. The first thing you need to do is check your grade setup, which is up there at the top. This is a 4-year class, so I have a Y1, S1, and S2, and then everything underneath that. If you double click on the Y1, mine will come up high. If it does that, you can drag it down. Yours will probably just come up like this. For Y1, you should have term weights, and it should be equal weighted between S1 and S2. Whether it's 100 each, 50 each, it doesn't really matter. If I click down to S1, again, you should have term weights, and the term weights for S1 are 40, 40, and 20 for E1. When I click down to Q1, if you use total points, which I know a few teachers do, but very few teachers do, you'll have total points here highlighted and there'll be nothing else. If you use category weights, you should have category weights selected, and then your categories should be weighted whatever the weight you have for that particular class. If you want to, you can copy your quarter weights and paste them into each quarter. I'm not going to necessarily show you that. I just want to make sure this is what your setup should look like. If you are not using total points, you should not be on total points, and you have to set this up every single year. Your E1 will probably be total points, and your S2 goes back to that 40, 40, 20, with your quarters always being your category setup. Once you have the grades completed, you will go through, and the most important thing you need to remember to do is to put your comments into your grades. You're going to, and I'll switch to quarter one, you're going to have the grades here, and you need to right click on whose ever grade that you want to change, and you're going to hit show score inspector. Down here there's a field that says comments. You should be putting the number of the comment you want to put in there. I wouldn't put more than 3 numbers. There's just not that much space on the report card, and when you put more than 3, the spacing gets a little funky. If you need to know which number you're supposed to use, if you click comment, this tab right there, you have all of the numbers there for the comment that's associated to the number. Once you put in the number in the comment box and hit close, you'll get this little blue C. And when you have that little blue C, that means you have put a comment in there and you're all good. You just have to do it for every kid in that class. That's how you make sure your grading setup is correct and how you put comments onto the grades. I just wanted to kind of give you that quickly, and if you have any questions, you can let me know and I'll help you out. Thanks.